If you love building robots, this new module is for you. For the last 2 years, we've been experimenting with all kinds of tiny, maker-friendly robots, using CodeCell as their brain. But robots need motors and actuators to move, which usually means adding external drivers. So alongside the new CodeCell C6, we also built the CodeCell C6 drive, designed to make robot building more compact. It has the same core features as the C6, but with built-in dual H-bridge outputs, letting you drive DC motors, buzzers and actuators directly. That means no external driver board, freeing up space while still giving you wireless motor control, onboard battery charging and up to 10 sensory outputs, all accessible through an easy-to-use Arduino library. It's only a few millimeters wider than the C6, but it adds higher load capacity plus 2 extra GPIOs and I2C pins, so that you can connect even more sensors or displays. It runs from a single cell LiPo battery and can deliver up to 1.5 amps per output, or 750 milliamps on both outputs at the same time. In fact, with our upcoming Protobot robot, we're driving 4 and 20 motors, running 2 motors in parallel on each output. At its core, it's powered by the ESP32 C6 with 8 MB of flash memory, dynamic battery charging, multiple sleep wake-up sources, an onboard light and proximity sensor, and a full 9-axis IMU. This is one of the smartest sensors we ever used, because it combines the data from a gyroscope, accelerometer and a compass, and has sensor fusion algorithms built in to provide more motion output, unlocking projects like compass navigation, tap detection, balancing, motion alarms and even step counting. All of these sensors let your projects react to the environment in real time. And to make things easy for beginners, its software is open source, with an Arduino library, examples and multiple tutorials. Each device ships with pre-flash software so that you can connect it to the Microlink app straight out of the box. Just use the sliders to control the speed and then dive into the library to explore multiple examples using buttons, joysticks and sliders. In the CodeCell box you will also find a cable, pin headers, screws, and you can also buy it with an optional LiPo battery. You just need to connect it over USB, then select the COM port and settings for your board. If you want to check it out, simply visit micropods.io/CodeCell C6 drive and join our awesome community. Happy robot building!